Hey guys, it's Monkey Puppet 75 and it is snowing outside. I know you can't see, but that's not gonna work. My mom, she makes like, I don't know what to call it, but it's really yummy. Every year, if it snows, she gets a pan out here, a pot out here, whatever. And yeah, I'm just happy it's finally snowing. Like, my mom's car is covered and it's I don't think it's hot enough. I mean, it's cold enough here that it'll actually like stick or anything because everything's all wet. Ooh. Hang on. Let's swing to the house ice. Snow, whatever. And there's a little bit over there. Hi, Mama.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I knew it.
What?
I knew I couldn't be out here and not step in poo. I'm gonna get the rake.
Hey, Sandy. And my poor kitty Mimi was apparently stuck out here all night because she's afraid to use the doggy door like our other cat. Ow. So, yeah, so she was freezing this morning. I let her in. Oh, look at the trees. Covered in ice. Snow. Why do I keep calling it ice? I don't know, but I love snow. I just honestly wish it would come more often. Oh, it is ice. Ow. Jeez, please. Let's see if we can open the door. Yeah, it's unlocked. Yep. But because I'm freezing. Okay. Well, anyway. My mother's car is covered in ice, and my hands are ice. Oh, I'm freezing. That's just what I get for wearing this jacket. Whatever. Well, it's my camera. Okay, well, anyway. Ooh, we are going 0 miles. I'm so bored. I'm cold. I'm going back inside.